Hi, everybody. Welcome to our third week of Sociology 101. This week, our topic of study is deviance and social control. I have to admit, this is my favorite week of the semester, and I hope you enjoy it as well. Before we go any further, why don't you pause and go grab your lecture quizzes and come back, and we will begin. All right, so this week we have 4 assignments. Unfortunately, even though there's a holiday, we forge ahead with these short classes in the summer, even though there are holidays during the week. So we have the same amount of assignments as we would have anyway. So we have a discussion board this week, a response journal, a lecture and lecture quiz, which are taken care of now. And then at the end of the week, after the 4th of July, we have the midterm exam. The midterm exam opens on the day after the 4th of July, so Friday, July 5th at 12 noon. It closes on Sunday, July 7th at 11:59 p.m. You can begin your exam anytime during that period. Once you begin, however, you will have only 60 minutes to complete the exam, and it must be completed all in one sitting. That means that you can't pause the exam, you can't go out of the exam, you have to do it all then, all at one time. So the idea is set aside 60 minutes to take the exam and then begin. There are absolutely no makeups on summer exams. I mentioned this in the first week of class. And so, this is it. I won't be able to do any makeups for you guys. So make sure that you get it done in this time period. To study for the midterm exam, you should use the study guide, which has been up on modules since the first day of class. There, you should use the lectures, the readings, and the videos. And to be honest, I don't think there are any questions about the videos on the exam, but there are questions about that on the lectures and the readings. So be sure and get that all done. To structure your reading or to organize it, use the study guide. There won't be anything on the exam that is not on the study guide. So use that to know what to study and where to study it. And, just to let you know, there are questions on the exam that are in the lectures but are not in the readings. So you want to be sure to listen to all the lectures and the other way around too. There are questions that are in the readings that are not in the lectures. So you want to be sure and do both. So there are I can't remember. I think between 40 and 50 questions on the exam, and they are all multiple choice with a couple of true-false questions thrown in there. There are no short answer questions. And the exam covers the material from weeks 1 through 3. All right, so I'm going to answer the first quiz question now if you didn't get it already. The answer is the midterm exam opens Friday, July 5th at 12 o'clock noon, and it closes on Sunday, July 7th at 11:59 p.m. All right, you have 4 more quiz questions, and they are answered in the following lecture videos. All right, enjoy. I'm wishing you a lot of luck on your exams and a great 4th of July. All right, thank you.